Hey everyone, okay, so today we are going to slay your eyeshadow like a boss. I don't even know what that means, but I think it's a positive. Who knows? I'm old. So today's video is going to be showcasing the amazing Miriam A, and she is truly a genius when it comes to eyeshadow work. I don't think personally eyeshadow work is that easy, but she makes it look like nothing. And the results are always breathtaking. I love doing these videos. I love showcasing other people and other people's talent because it is a beautiful thing to share. And why would you not want to? That's what I think. So without further ado, let's move on and show you the amazing work of Miriam A. And all her Instagram information is in there in the description bar. So please follow her. Thank you. Bye-bye. So here we are, and you will see the incredible talent now. And truly, this is the work of a genius, in my opinion. She is able to create the most stunning color combinations on eyes, and this is an account that I go to over and over again for inspiration because I just adore the way that she's able to create the most stunning effects, and also the way that she's able to put fake eyelashes on like it's nothing. Fake eyelash application is not easy, and she makes it look like nothing, and that I find hurtful. And also, can we just mention the brows? They are perfect. But before we go on and before I leave, I just want to say one more time, the application of fake eyelashes here is always so quick and superb. I really need some advice on this because it takes me a lot longer to do it than that, I tell you that. Anyway, I'm going to be quiet now. Please enjoy and please follow her because she's very, very lovely and very, very kind. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.